Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect MatchTrader to TradingView step by step. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and log into your MatchTrader account. And then from here, you want to look at the charts, but specifically at the top. So you'll find here the tools, but you want to look at this slider. You can actually tick this, and this is your TradingView. So once you do that, this whole chart will change. Wait for it to load. And just like that, you are now connected to TradingView. You also have the option to go ahead and full screen this, so you can see, and you can still go ahead and uh, choose any tools right over here at the top. You can add any indicator, a chart type, time interval, compare symbol, and chart settings. And that's about it. Now you know how to connect MatchTrader to TradingView in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.